Hi, I'm Jean Panna-Kiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 9 of our 12-part Sabrosa for Android user guide series. In this video, we'll begin to discuss how our Enhanced OWA mail client works. If you don't know what Sabrosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. To enable the Enhanced OWA client, you will need to first browse to your mail address. After browsing to this address, you'll notice a new button appear in the toolbar at the top of your screen that looks like an envelope. Tapping this icon will open the Enhanced OWA client. If the URL for your webmail changes, simply go to the new URL in the browser to update the URL Sabrosa has cached. When you are inside the mail client, you can get back to the browser at any time by tapping the three-dot menu in the top right corner. This menu will also allow you to turn conversation mode, which groups messages together by similarity, on or off. When viewing your mailbox, you'll see the different folders that you can find in an email client. Folders that contain this blue arrow have subfolders within them. Tapping this button will drill down into the folder structure and display the additional folders that reside within the parent folder. When viewing subfolders, you can go back to the parent folder by tapping the hamburger menu in the upper left corner or by tapping the back button on your device. Folders with numbers next to the name indicate that there are unread messages in the folder. Tapping on the folder name will display all emails within the folder. It is also possible to connect to delegated mailboxes in Sabrosa. To connect your shared or delegated mailbox, tap Delegated Mailboxes, then enter the email address of the mailbox you can access and select it. Once a folder is selected, Sabrosa pulls messages from the server and displays them as a list. When you get to the bottom of the list, you can swipe up to prompt Sabrosa to get more messages from the server. Tapping the Sort button next to the three-dot menu will allow you to sort the list with the same options you see in a browser. Pressing and holding a message will allow you to flag, mark, move, or delete the message as desired. These options can be found in the three-dot menu after you have highlighted a message. Another quick note is the difference in layout between large and small screens. Android will automatically reformat your screen based on the size. This means that you may see icons on a tablet that aren't available on a phone. All of the same options are still available. Any missing icons will be available in the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you would like more information about our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. In the next video, we'll review how to create a message within the mail client. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.